much for the introduction. And how are you today? Good. Very sumptuous lunch served today. Okay, so as mentioned, I am Ernie Carlos, the Director for Supply Chain and also the Chief Sustainability Officer. And I would like to mention to you that today is a crucial time when sustainability is a necessity. The Philippines faces urgent environmental challenges. I think we are all aware of this. We have environmental pollution, air pollution for that matter, marine pollution, plastic pollution, and rising sea levels. No? These are leading to climate-related disasters and food insecurity. These challenges are aligned with the priorities of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, we call it the SDGs, and emphasizing a clean energy, waste reduction, sustainable communities, and strong partnership for a greener future. At Ajinomoto Philippines Corporation, or APC, we feel it is our responsibility to turn these challenges into opportunities to affect change, a sustainable change. Through Ajinomoto Creating Shared Value, or what we call the ASV, we are committed not just reducing our environmental footprint, but also actively regenerating the environment and improving the communities we serve. Our goal is very clear. We aim to reduce our environmental impact by 50% and contribute to the ecosystem regeneration by 2030, which is fully aligned with the United Nations SDGs. To achieve our vision, we have established 5 pillars of sustainability. First is conscious sourcing, followed by climate action, collaborative development, circular economy, and consensus nutrition, with initiative focused on waste reduction, food sustainability, and clean energy. Our first pillar, which is conscious sourcing, is our effort in ensuring that sustainability is practiced in our supply chain. Sourcing 100% of our APC's palm oil responsibly and promoting deforestation and unfair labor. Additionally, our Forest Stewardship Council Certified Master Carton, or we call it the FSC, ensures that the paper we use are sourced from sustainably managed forest plantation and processed in facilities with strict environmental standards. Sustainability isn't just reducing waste. It is also about how we power our operations and affect the climate. Under our second pillar, which is climate action, our factory in Bulacan has a 1 megawatt peak capacity solar panel installation, which provides 20% of the facility's energy requirement. The factory also transitioned to 100% renewable energy on December 26, 2023, followed by our second factory in Cebu to 100% renewable energy just this February 26 of this year. So we would like to extend our deep appreciation to ASEN team, of course headed by Mr. Tony Valdez here, and the representatives who are present today, who made our renewable energy transition possible. These milestones enabled us to achieve zero Scope 2 carbon emission across all factory operations, avoiding more than 5,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide emission per year, which is a major step toward our 2030 goals. Further expanding our impact, we also recently entered into a partnership with Fast and Mobile Philippines to utilize electric vehicles, or EVs, in our logistics fleet. Fast Logistics will be providing 100% electric tractor head with a 40-footer container van for our finished product transfer across our distribution centers and hubs. On the other hand, Mover will handle our product delivery to our key accounts customers in Metro Manila on a gradual pace, using a 100% electric four-wheeler van. This partnership projects further reduction in our Scope 3 carbon emissions. As a producer responsibility organization member of Philippine Alliance for Recycling and Material Sustainability or FARMS, under the APR law or the Extended Producer Responsibility, APC proactively works to reduce and utilize operational plastic waste under our circular economy pillar. This type of waste is sent to co-processing, transforming them into alternative fuel and raw material for cement manufacturing, ensuring that zero industrial plastic waste is sent to landfills. At the same time, we are also pushing the boundaries of sustainable packaging innovation through our 3 action points. First is down-gauging, which is the process of thinning or lessening of plastic volume in packaging, which results in reducing our overall plastic usage. Second is transitioning to mono-material packaging, which improves the recyclability of our packaging by having them be made of just one type of material. And lastly, eliminating plastic tertiary packaging, where we remove plastic polybags from some of our products in favor of calendarization and paper sleeve bundling. The advancements of this treatment are a testament to the relentless effort of our R&D or Research and Development team, who are continuously finding ways to make our packaging more sustainable. Beyond plastic waste, we also recognize the urgent need for food loss reduction. Our approach uses the Ajinomoto Group Food Waste Utilization Hierarchy Framework and prioritizes the utilization of generated edible waste as food, then its conversion to animal feeds, fertilizer, and energy recovery. Landfill as a solution remains as our last option. Today, 100% of our food waste generated at our production facilities and from sales stations or sales return in Luzon is converted into animal feeds. Encouraging healthy eating habits among Filipinos is also central to our mission. According to the State of Food Security and Nutrition, the World Report in 2023, about 44.7% of Filipinos face moderate to severe food insecurity. Through our impactful nutrition education campaigns like Bawasin, as mentioned earlier by our President, I Love Vegelicious, and Too Good to Waste, we are able to push for consensus nutrition among Filipinos. These campaigns advocate for reduced salt intake and increased vegetable consumption, as well as promote affordable, healthy, and easy-to-prepare meals. The Too Good to Waste campaign specifically prioritizes innovative recipes that are carefully crafted by our nutrition advancement team, in which they utilize parts of food ingredients that are usually set aside as scraps. In this way, we are able to give new life into leftovers and also extend the shelf life of commonly wasted food. To learn more about this campaign, let us watch this short video on Too Good to Waste campaign.
Ako na! My turn! Ay, karong lang. No one's rooting for me.
Kamote naman, bro.
Tayo umabot sa plato, pero di pa rin pinapansin. Mga tama sila. Hernán,
Baka naman di pa sila tapos. Ang dami pa natin,
On average, 79
kilos ng pagkain ang naaaksaya ng isang tao sa loob ng isang taon at over 1 billion meals worth of edible food ang nasasayang araw-araw. Sapat upang makainin ang humigit kumulang na 2 bilyong taong walang sapat na pagkain. Sa Pilipinas, tinatayang 2,175 tons of food waste ang napoproduce araw-araw. Malaking parte nito ay household plate waste, with rice, vegetables, and meat being the top 3 most wasted food.
Kung mga paborito lang yung lagi nauubos kainin, paano naman kaming mga hindi napiling pagkain?
Maraming nagiging epekto ang food waste. Nagpapalala ito ng global warming dahil 8 to 10% of global greenhouse gas emissions ay dito nang gagaling. Hindi lang pagkain ang naaaksaya tuwing may food waste dahil masama rin ang dulot nito sa ating natural resources. Nasasayang pati ang energy, water supply, diesel at iba pang fossil fuels, kaya dagdag ito sa pagkasira ng kapaligiran. Upang makatulong solusyonan ito, inilulunsad ng Ajinomoto globally ang Too Good to Waste program. Under this initiative, Ajinomoto Philippines Corporation aims to help solve pressing issues by
Promoting healthy eating,
Reducing food waste.
engaging communities, and protecting the environment.
layo nitong magbigay ng kaalaman at mga solusyon sa food waste, providing recipes and practical tips. With Too Good to Waste, magagamit lahat ng edible parts ng ingredients at leftover food upang makagawa ng panibagong masarap at masustansyang pagkain. Iwas sayang sa pagkain dahil ang Too Good to Waste na mga sangkap pwede pa rin gamitin. Sama-sama nating itaguyod ang tamang nutrisyon at pangangalaga sa kapaligiran sa tulong ng food waste at food loss reduction. Sa Too Good to Waste,
May panahon sustansya at sarap at magandang kinabukasan na sa
kasama ang Ajinomoto, you too can help save the planet, one plate at a time.
Ajinomoto.
Okay, so if you want to know more about Too Good to Waste, you may visit our Facebook page, Ajinomoto Cook Community. Okay, so to continue, lastly, through collaborative development, APC acknowledges that the pursuit of sustainability cannot be done by company or organization alone. That is why we believe that forging partnership with like-minded organizations is a key to advance sustainability. APC collaborates with the Food Rescue Advocacy Group, the Scholars of Sustenance, and donated a portion of its fit-for-consumption edible food waste, ensuring that it reaches those in need instead of going to waste. With the same pillar, we launched our flagship sustainability initiative in 2024. The Sari Cycle program tackles plastic waste by involving sari-sari stores and their local communities in the collection and repurposing of single-use plastics, which are typically neglected in the waste collection system due to their low value and bulky type of plastics that usually leak into the nature and waterways. We chose with great intent to partner with sari-sari stores and similar micro-enterprises because they have been the touch point that allowed APC to thrive in the Philippine market since the Ajinomoto brand was introduced into the country more than 65 years ago. With over 1 million sari-sari stores scattered nationwide, they are an integral part of Filipinos' daily lives. We aim to support these very communities that help us become the successful business we are today. The humble sari-sari stores that carry our products are now our key partners in tackling plastic waste through the Sari Cycle program. Our launch in 2024 was attended by 150 sari-sari store owners based in Quezon City, and in just 1 year, we were able to gather more than 10,000 metric tons of plastic waste and equivalent to more than 20 million assorted sachets. Collected by more than 1,000 program participants, we call them the Sari Cyclers. We would like to share these milestones with our program partner, the Basic Environmental Systems and Technology, or BEST Incorporated, present here, without whom we will not be able to have this big of an impact. So let us watch this short video to learn about how the program works on ground.
plastic waste na pakalat-kalat, hindi na nakapagtataka. The Philippines only recycles 9% of its plastic waste. Parte ng issue ay ang kakulangan sa waste facilities at epektibong plastic waste management. Nakadepende karamihan ng mga Pilipino sa single-use plastics gaya ng sachets and pouches dahil mas accessible at abot kaya ang mga ito sa mga mamimili. Kaya lang, karamihan dito ay naitatapon lang sa kapaligiran habang patuloy na lumalala ang marine plastic pollution sa ating bansa. Ano pwede natin gawing praktikal na paraan? Good news! Inilunsad ng Ajinomoto Philippines Corporation ang SariCycle, isang reward system program na may layuning i-manage ang plastic waste through plastic collection. Ito'y in partnership with the local government of Quezon City and Basic Environmental Systems and Technologies. Simple pero epektibong programa kung saan ang SariCycle stores ay mamumulekta ng flexible plastic waste mula sa kanilang mga suking consumer. After segregation, these plastics will be deposited to collection centers for processing at di mapunta sa kapaligiran bilang basura. Each kilogram of single-use plastics can earn environmental points na maaaring gamitin to redeem grocery items and other products and services with different platforms. Nakatulong ka na sa pagbawas ng plastic waste sa inyong barangay, nakakuha ka pa ng incentives. Bawat isa sa atin may kakayanang suportahan ang paglutas ng problema sa plastic waste. Sari-saring kakayahan, sari-saring kolekta. Kaisa ang SariCycle para sa kinabukasang maganda. Kasama ang Ajinomoto, sama-sama tayo tungo sa sustainabilidad ng pamumuhay. Upang pangalagaan ang kapaligiran, let us work together in co-creating a sustainable community.
So if you want to know more, also visit our Ajinomoto SariCycle Facebook page. As you can imagine, the program has made quite an impact, not just on the environment, but also the SariCyclers, who have been diligently collecting plastics in their communities. Allow me to share with you a short video about their stories.
Lahat ay nagmumula sa isa. Isang katha, isang salita, isang kilos.
Mahilig akong mag-recyclable. Yung single-use bag. Kapag tinapon sa ilog, pag bumaha, babalik sa amin yan eh. Yan po, sinasabi ko po sa kanila na magdampot po kayo niya kasi malaking tulong po sa barangay natin at malaking tulong po sa kalikasan po natin.
Dati-dati, hindi naman nila iniipon yung mga single-use plastic. Namulat sila na, kailangan pala itong ipunin because may points.
Ang laki pong nabago. Before po kasi, shoot that kalat kahit saan. Ngayon, alam na po nila kung ano yung single-use plastic at ano po yung mga recyclables.
Malaking epekto sa aming lugar. Mayroon din benefits na makukuha. Lalo na yung mga product ng IG, tapos malaki ang waste.
Ang SariCycle ng Ajinomoto Philippines Corporation is ang reward system na tumutulong upang mabawasan ang plastic waste through waste management and plastic collection. Bawat isang kilo ng single-use plastics ay pwedeng makonvert sa environmental points na pwedeng gamitin para makakuha po kayo ng Ajinomoto products at grocery items.
We have a common goal of addressing talagang perennial issues when it comes to waste management. Segregate, exchange, redeem, collect, and then recycle. This forms the 5 pillars of sustainability and circularity of SariCycle.
The collected plastics from SariCycle is sent to the cement plants for co-processing, using it as alternative raw material and alternative fuel at our cement plants, reducing the amount of waste going into the environment.
Kailangan din po namin ng tulong talaga. Yung pagkakaisa, para rin sa amin yun na maiwasan yung aming baha.
Kung lahat makukuha natin yung mga residual waste na yan, malaki ang maitulong na SariCycle.
Sana lahat ng tindahan sa Quezon City ay maging member at mag-participate sa programa ito.
Huwag nang tapon kung saan-saan para lahat ma-happy.
As we celebrate Sari Cycle's first anniversary, sama-sama nating ipagpatuloy yung nasimulan natin. Magtulungan tayo hindi lang para sa panahon ngayon, kundi para na rin sa mga susunod pang henerasyon.
Sari-sari mong pinagmumula, nagkakaisa para sa kalikasan, para sa bayan. Kasama niyo ang Ajinomoto Sari Cycle sa paglutas ng problema sa plastic waste.
From one
to Malawakan.
The message we want to convey in saying from one to Malawakan is this. We understand that sustainability is not a destination. It is an ongoing journey of innovation, collaboration, and responsibility. At APC, we are not just adapting to change. We aim to lead it. Our 2030 ASB goals serve as our North Star, ensuring that every step we take is one toward a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. Thank you and welcome to the Green Print of Ajinomoto Philippines Corporation. Let's continue this journey together as we champion sustainability and create a world where we eat well, live well.